Welcome. One part of our nervous system gives us more energy when we need it. This part is called the sympathetic nervous system. Another part helps us calm down when we're too excited or stressed or anxious. This part is called the parasympathetic nervous system. When you get upset, nervous, or anxious, you can trigger your parasympathetic nervous system to calm yourself down, relax, and unwind. Settle into a comfortable space. Gently close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Loosen the grip in your hands. Relax your glutes and your legs, your feet, and tune into your breathing. Become aware if you're currently breathing through your nose or through your mouth, and begin to shift your breathing solely to nose breathing. Feeling the breath come in through the nostrils and back out through the nostrils. As you continue to breathe, shift your attention to the waves of the breath. No longer being so aware to your surroundings, be it sounds, smells, sensations. And as you feel the breath run in through your nose and deep into the belly, and then back out through the nose, you become more and more relaxed, more and more in tune with your body, and more in tune with your breath. Let's bring a little bit more awareness now to our breathing as we work on the 5, 5, and 5 breath. Inhale very slowly through your nose for 5 seconds, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then exhale very slowly through your nose for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now wait and retain the breath for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue to repeat this now for the next minute, staying solely focused on your breath, inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5, and then retaining for 5. After your last breath retention, take a nice deep breath in through the nose and a nice deep breath out through the mouth. Notice how you feel. You should feel more calm, more relaxed, more alert. Today's practice is now complete. Move forward into your day or evening with a calm, cool mind and an open heart. Namaste.